Okay, so in this lecture 37, we are going to discuss another standard of this CDMA, that is CDMA 2000. Okay, so if I talk about this CDMA 2000, okay, CDMA we already discussed, okay, based on this code division multiple layers, and it is helpful for high speed data and voice network solution for low cost, easy to deploy, high performance service. Okay, and that CDMA support high volume of voice and data traffic. So let's discuss some important points related to CDMA 2000. Okay, so the points are that technology for the evaluation of IS 95 services. Okay, and the CDMA 2000 cellular technology provides an evolutionary high data rate upgrade path for current users of 2G, okay, that is IS 95 and IS 95A CDMA technology. Okay, so you can see that this IS 95 हमने पढ़ा था, that was used in 2G, and this CDMA IS 95G, and the CDMA 2 so CDMA 2000 is for 3G services. Okay, difference लिखने को, so you can note it down this difference. CDMA 2000 represents a family of standards. CDMA 2000 system is a new packet core network. Okay, so PCN is packet components in this CDMA 2000 that allows for the delivery of packet data with high speed and better security. These two is the advantage of this CDMA 2000: high speed and better security. Multi-carrier modulation is applied to a 3G voice oriented cellular network using CDMA technology. So using over here, CDMA 2000 employs a multi-carrier operation in which a user allowed to uh, 1369, or sorry, not 1003, 1369 of the CDMA more reliable voice and variety of data channels. The main advantage of using multi-carrier modulation data rates for data applications, wider bandwidth, and consequently better voice quality compared with existing CDMA system. So these are the 3-4 advantages: high data rates for data application, better voice quality, and backward compatibility with the existing CDMA system. In CDMA 2000, we use QAM, digital modulation technique, okay, which maximize the data rate. Okay, family of 3G standards. If I talk about the CDMA 2000, so CDMA 2001X, that is up to 307 kbps packet data speed, supports advanced service like MMS, games, picture, and music download. Okay, so that is for this CDMA 2000. Okay, CDMA 2001X. Next one is CDMA 2001X EVDO. Okay, so that standard optimized for packet data service up to 2.4 Mbps. 2.4 Mbps and always on service supporting internet and intranet. Always on means whenever you are accessing the voice call. In that case, you can also access the internet, the help of internet. Next standard is CDMA 2000 DV. Okay, that will provide integrated voice high speed packet data service such as video 3.09 Mbps. ओके, सो जैसे जैसे आप देख रहे हैं स्टैंडर्ड हम बढ़ाते जा रहे हैं, एडवांसमेंट करके हमने स्टैंडर्ड नए नए डिफाइन किए. सो वी आर अप्रोचिंग हाई डेटा रेट. ओके, key feature of this CDMA 2000. Okay, so you can see over here some key features. Leading performance, efficient use of spectrum, service. CDMA 2000 technology are compatible with internet protocol and higher bandwidth efficiency. So they are compatible with these internet protocol. CDMA 2000 offer the broadest selection of the mobile devices and has a significant cost. होते हैं हमारे CDMA 2000 have been designed for urban as well as remote rural areas, WL, limited and full mobility application in multipath spectrum bands. So that and rural also. Now, if I talk about the advantages of this CDMA 2000, okay, so high speed broadband data connectivity, okay, flexible network architecture, NSI 41, GSM MAP, and IP based network. So they are okay. Application user and flow based quality of service QoS, flexible spectrum allocation, characteristics, improved security and privacy, lower total cost of ownership, multi-band global roaming features. Okay, so global your available. So these are the advantages. Now, if I talk about this disadvantages, so disadvantage. Okay, so there are too many signals from cell sites in subscriber phone, but none of dominant degrading the call quality. Okay, somehow a little bit it is degrading the call quality. And the next, that feature is not available in this CDMA 2000. Okay, so another disadvantage of the technology is the lack of international roam. CDMA 2000 device that can be used internationally must also have a GSM radio. So that is the drawback that available in this CDMA 2000. Okay, so these are the some disadvantages of this CDMA 2000.